lowest number of suplexes.
His feet into a bear hug, and then powering race to the corner. And now, again, German suplex to Roman Reigns. Brock's been cut.
Let's give me the right here. That's it. He beat Roman Reigns that quick.
What are we, less than 30 seconds? We're less than 30 seconds into this match.
It beat Roman Reigns easily, and he is going to torture him.
Knees to the midsection, then the right hand. And now Lesnar with a great throw, and Brock Lesnar's controlling Reigns.
That great Samoan dynasty that Roman Reigns is a part of.
And Reigns trying to fight back. Roman Reigns fighting back, delivering elbows right on the Reigns now with a big clothesline. Lesnar still on his feet, and again still on his feet.
Look at him bow up. Whoa!
And Lesnar, and another German.
What the hell is... Why would... Pride of Roman Reigns.
Oh, no!
And Lesnar!
Suplex City. He said something else, but I won't repeat that.
Exactly.
Now Roman Reigns is already messed up inside.
And Lesnar
Number
with
5.
another German suplex.
Never a superhuman strength.
He looks like in the best shape he's ever been in. And
Whoa.
another German suplex by Lesnar.
6.
After each one of those suplexes, it's been a little...
Roman Reigns attacked Brock Lesnar right off the opening.
Changed the complexion of this whole match.
Great Samoan dynasty.
my
May
gosh.
get Roman Reigns hurt.
Oh!
I could. I might have to make a decision.
Lesnar, oh man, what a
In the interest of the
forearm!
health of Roman Reigns.
Not good.
Oh, and right to the... Oh, wait a minute. Roman Reigns caught
man.
Brock. Reigns starting to fire back now. But he got caught. Oh, no, he got caught. Oh, my God! Oh, my God!
Generation, Roman Reigns is world champion until he decides to give it up.
Roman Reigns. And Lesnar with another suplex.
I like Brock Lesnar. When he tastes his own blood, my
Oh,
God!
my God! How impressive! Underhook there, Brock Lesnar just... And mercifully, F5,
Thank
hook
goodness.
of the leg, Roman Reigns able to kick
Come
out.
on, Roman.
So now we're learning the kid's got guts.
And now it's Brock Lesnar smiling.
There are few people in the world that even if they could have kicked out, this is literally gloves off. Roman Reigns is about to get hurt.
Roman is...
I think Brock wants him to quit.
What? Is he laughing?
That's from world champions like
Suplex City.
Yokozuna, like the...
And now Lesnar's ticked.
Mercifully, that's over.
And Roman Reigns.
And the look on the face of... Have you seen that look before? Is he doubting himself?
It's upsetting Brock more that Roman won't quit.
The whole match. And Roman's still in it.
Hard to take the exact same one.
That's every
Oh,
corner!
Roman Reigns.
Oh, my
Reigns got out of the
God!
post. Lesnar just beating the count back into the ring.
Reigns has been dismantled.
First time, I don't know which way it's going to go. Roman Reigns has got to close the distance. You got to
Look,
show it
look
here,
at
Roman.
this.
Roman Reigns in perfect Superman punch right on the nose.
Roman has hit Brock with